Imagine that you're a designer or a creative director at a boutique agency, and you need to design a beautiful UI front-end experience for a client. Maybe there's no budget for a developer, or maybe the timeline is just too tight to bring somebody up to speed. Well, we've just discovered this new app called HeroUI Chat. We're building a left-hand sidebar navigation UI. We want it to be collapsible with the hamburger menu for small screens. We want an active state highlight for whichever section is selected. We've given it some notes about the spacing and the color palette and the look of it, and we want the full code so we can use it in another project. All right, I'll create a professional left-hand sidebar navigation component, and then we're going to watch it write the code. That's pretty cool. Now, can I click on these yet? Projects, messages, reports, settings. Yeah, kind of gave us everything. Yeah, kind of gave us everything we asked for. There's the hamburger menu. Let's have our next prompt tell it to make each one of those menu options clickable with a mock-up for that individual section. Let's put it in and watch it go.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So now it has quickly put together a page for each section. The data is hard coded into it, but you could keep going, prompting back and forth to get it to add functionality and connect to different sources of data, add ability for approval buttons and whatnot. You see how you can keep going with this.
Just then.
Okay, so it's now up on the web. We can give it a custom domain name, but at this stage, we're just going to visit. And let's see how we're doing. So this is what it looks like live on the web, and this is just a very loose version that we threw together in a couple of minutes here together in terms of showing you what you can do with this tool in just a couple of minutes, something that used to take somebody who knows what they're doing a whole day or something, and now you can just do it on your own in just a few minutes.